Time to update your vehicle? Take a look at this 2009 Holden Commodore. If you're looking for a vehicle with great attributes, look no further. With a reliable 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD stacker, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles.